of Education, Adamas University, has recently signed an international Memorandum of Understanding with the University Scholars Association of the Philippines. As an integral part of international collaborative initiative, School of Education and USAP Philippines have jointly co-hosted the 4th International Scholars Convention and International Young Leaders Congress 2021 from November 25th to 27th this year. The event has witnessed the deliberations of internationally acclaimed stalwarts in the field of education across the globe. The students and faculty members of School of Education, Adamas University, have wholeheartedly participated in this prestigious international platform. Let us see what our faculty members and students have to say about their experience.
Hello everyone, it was an amazing experience and it is my pleasure to express my sincere gratitude and heartfelt thanks to our respected Madam Dr. Shauli Mukherjee, Director of School of Education, Adamas University, and Dr. Randimax M. Bulakwit Sir. He is the President of University Scholar Association of the Philippines, for giving me such excellent chance for being the moderator in an international platform. I am looking forward to be a part in such programs in future. Thank you.
To begin with, I would like to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the School of Education, Adamas University, for giving me this golden opportunity to showcase my talent in this international platform. While sharing this platform, I have accumulated a lot of insight and acquired innumerable skills which I can utilize in the future. Thank you.
Hello friends, it is a matter of great honor and privilege to participate in the 4th International Scholars Convention and International Young Leaders Congress 2021. I render my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Shauli Mukherjee ma'am, Director, School of Education, Adamas University, for providing me with this excellent opportunity to work as a part of technical team in an international program. I really look forward to many such events which will enhance my knowledge and capability. Thank you.
I'm really thankful to School of Education for giving me this wonderful opportunity to represent myself and share my views on an international platform. I also learned about various colorful cultures, received speech from many prominent speakers. So yes, it was a wonderful experience which would be cherished by me for lifetime. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm really very grateful to the School of Education for giving me such an opportunity to be a part of this international program. This program has given us a global exposure. I'm really looking forward to be in such programs in our near future, and this will really help us to reach our future endeavors.
I would like to express my sincere gratitude to School of Education for providing me this international platform. I got opportunity to gain new knowledges and insights from the various topics discussed here, and I am looking forward to use these new insights in my future endeavors. Thank you.
As an individual with no prior experience, it was worrisome, but I would like to thank the associates from the University Scholars Association of the Philippines and my faculty members from the School of Education for providing me an active role on an international platform as a moderator. Thank you and salamat po.
Hello everyone. I'm Paroma Kundu, Assistant Professor, School of Education, Adamas University. Recently, School of Education jointly organized 4th International Scholars Convention and International Young Leaders Congress 2021 with University Scholars Association of the Philippines. It was immense pleasure for me to organize such a prestigious event at international level. Thank you so much respected Director Madam, School of Education, Dr. Shauli Mukherjee, for giving me such a wonderful international exposure.
I'm Shinjini Nag, Assistant Professor of Life Science, School of Education, Adamas University. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our respected Director Madam, Dr. Shauli Mukherjee, for providing me this wonderful experience at international platform. I want to thank the entire team of School of Education. Thank you for this wonderful learning experience.